To install the caster tie-down kit to an existing 08 or 02 T-base stand, you'll first need to remove the casters from the base. To do this, you'll need to remove the end cap. You can usually do it by hand, but you may need to use a flathead screwdriver to pry it out. With the end cap removed, you now have access to the 1/2 inch hex bolt head. Using two 3/4 inch wrenches, remove the nut and the 1/2 inch by 1.5 inch hex bolt holding the caster to the base. In your caster tie-down kit, you should have received a 1/2 inch by 1 3/4 inch hex bolt, a lock washer, 1/2 inch nut, and the 1/2 inch thick aluminum spacer. With the caster removed, insert the new 1/2 inch by 1 3/4 inch hex bolt through the inside of the base and slide the spacer over top of it. Then replace the caster on top of the spacer using the new lock washer and nut and tighten them back down using the 3/4 inch wrenches again. With the caster tightened down and the spacer installed, you can now put your end cap back in the base. Do this for all three of the casters on your 08 or 02 T-base stand, and you can now use the yellow caster tie-down brackets to dock your T-base.